make a single slider bracelet, which is here, it's like one knot here and then you slide it to adjust it. It's called a single slider knot bracelet. It's made of paracord, which is 4mm. So this is the paracord here. And I've made one and I've put some charms on it. And the other one I have made and put some beads on it. So I'm going to show you how to make both. Right, so what you need is, this is paracord and this is 4mm width. See, nice thick paracord here, 4mm width, and I cut 50 centimeters. So you'll need 4mm paracord here, nice and strong. You'll need a ruler to cut the paracord in 50 centimeters. So you'll need a ruler, and you will also need a pair of scissors to cut the cord. So I've already done that, so I won't need that now. You'll need a lighter at the end because we have to light these slightly at the end to get this sort of effect. See at the ends here and here, look. It's going to have to burn it slightly. So put those away. And the tools you'll need is round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, chain nose pliers. You'll need flush cutters. And if you're using beads, you can put how many beads you want. One of them I put three beads. And the other one I put 3 charms. But on this one I'm going to put beads and charms. So I'm going to put 2 beads. Got to have a hole inside. And I'm going to put a charm. There's a charm. You can choose the charm you want. And I will need 2 head pins. It's called head pin because it's got like head there. Or if you haven't got head pins, you can get the ones with the ball. And you kind of stop her here with a ball at the end or something. I don't really recommend the one with the hoop at the end because they might kind of get caught on things. Because it's a bracelet, so it might get kind of caught on stuff. That's why I use flat head or the one with the ball, so it's not so catchy, which can be annoying. You'll need a jump ring. That's to attach the charm, a jump ring, and it opens. Like that. So I've already cut it 50 centimeters. Make your single sliding knot. You're going to cross it out, make a cross. So you've made a cross. You're going to put your fingers like this. Then you're going to wrap once and then go behind it again. And then you're going to pull it again, finally. And then you're going to take them off, holding your 2 loops. And this frayed piece, you're going to pull it through. Pull it through, pull it gently. And you have a slidey knot. So to make the single sliding knot, you're going to cross over. So you've made your cross. You made it cross. Put your fingers like this, holding them. All right. You're going to take this piece, going to wrap it around just your finger. Once. Again. Pulling it through here. Go through. Hold your loops and push this piece through. Push it through like that and pull it. So the next thing we're going to do is knot both sides. So I'm going to knot both sides. I think I'll cut a bit of this fray bit. So I'll pick up my scissors and I will cut some. And then pick up my lighter and slightly singe it like that, so that will stay. That will stay there. And I think I'll cut this bit to make it the same length here. So cut a little bit off, so they're the same length. And then singe it. So this is a single sliding knot. And then the next thing, in the middle, I shall put on the charm. So with the charm, you're going to pick up your jump ring, then pick up your chain nose pliers and my flat nose pliers, and then I'm going to open it by bringing it across like that. So you see it's open there, and then you're going to pick up your charm, make sure that charm is on, so it's hanging on there, then pick up your bracelet and put it on. Put it in between the material, and then close it, making sure that you have got the charm in the position that you want. So I'm just going to check I've got the charm where I want, in the middle. Yeah, the charm is on, so you can leave it like that, and I shall just close it by picking up my chain nose pliers and squeezing it. And bringing it together, closing the gap. So you got the charm on, and then the next thing is I will pick up my bead and thread in. Pick up my bead and then thread it onto the head pin. The head pin's a bit too long, so I normally cut about a fingernail width at first by picking up my flush cutters, and I'll cut about a fingernail. I'll probably have to cut a bit more, but I cut a bit gradually. Let's cut a bit more gradually like that, and I hold it because this bit's going to ping, so I hold it and I cut it. It might be a bit too long at first, but we can just adjust it. So then I'll pick up my round nose pliers, place it in the middle and just bend it like that. So it's bent like that. And then pick up my bracelet and place it on in the position I want. Now it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to take off a tiny more piece off, being careful about putting my hand here so it doesn't jump. I've cut a little bit more off, just like half a centimetre, I think. Make sure I've got the bead where I want it on the bracelet. Yeah, I can see. Then pick up my chain nose pliers and bring it in, because I'm going to close it. So I'm going to bring it in like that. So I brought it in like that. Closing it. So we got a bead on there, a charm on there, and I want another bead there. Up here, a bit more than before. So last time was my fingernail, so a bit more than that. Gonna place it there, put my hand there so the thing don't fly. Right, I've cut it. Get rid of that. Pick up my bead. Put my bead on. Thread my bead on there, like that. Pick up my chain those pliers and position it in the middle and bend it. I think sometimes you can even, or even use me flat nose pliers or me chain nose pliers and just kind of bend the middle. All right, and then pick up the bracelet and place it on, kind of making sure I've got it looks even. So it's on like that, and I'm just going to push it in. Still a little bit too long, so gradually I'm going to cut a little bit more. Pick up my flush cutters, cut off a bit more, put my hand there so don't fly. A bit more. All right, now it's time to bring it in. So I'm going to pick up my flush cutters, go underneath, and bring it in. So I'm going to just bring it in and then push it down. Making sure that it's nice and evenly spaced out. And sometimes I might pick up my chain nose pliers and give it another squeeze, so I can try and keep it in place. That's if you want. You can always kind of give it another squeeze to keep it in place. So there you are. Got a sliding knot with the charms and the beads on. I'll show you the other ones. This has just got, this one in green got the beads on. And the other one, I think it's my favourite, I don't even know, is the black one. Yeah, with the silver charms on it. And here's a sliding knot. So to put it on, just pull it. And what I like to do is I put my hand here and I pull it. And maybe you could even put them all on together. So I've got the two on so far. I think they match. And my third one, see how that looks on. There's a sliding knot, so I just pull it like that. Because I've got a big hand. And place it on. And then I put my hand, my finger there, and I pull it. So I've got them all on. So I've got them all on. I don't know if I'm going to wear them together or can wear them single. Just however you feel like it. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And press the notification bell so YouTube let you know when I've made another video. If you like my video, please press the like button, the thumbsy. And if you've got any comments or questions, please pop them down below. So let me know which is your favourite one. And if you're going to put the bead, mix the beads, you can put more than how many charms you want, really. You can put more here if you want, or you can just put one, or you just can wear it on its own. I'll link down some other fashion jewellery that you could make.